Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with unexpected deductions from your GCash account, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy steps to identify the problem and fix it for good. So let's get started. So step 1 is disable auto debit subscriptions. Sometimes automatic deductions happen because of subscriptions linked to your GCash account. How to turn them off? 1. Open the GCash app and go to Profile. Then select My Linked Accounts. Then tap on Manage Pre-Approved Payments. Then review the list of active auto debit subscriptions. If you find the one causing the issue, simply disable or cancel it. It's that easy. And here's a pro tip. If the subscription was set up directly on a third-party platform like Netflix or Spotify, make sure to log into their account settings and cancel the subscription there as well. So step 2 is unlink GCash from third-party services. If the unexpected deductions are coming from third-party services where you linked your GCash account, the best solution is to unlink it. Log into the platform or services that charge you, look for the payment settings or linked amount sections, remove GCash as the payment method. Once you linked it, those deductions will stop. And that's it. So to recap, first, disable auto debit subscriptions in GCash app. Second, unlink GCash from any third-party platforms causing issue. So make sure to check your GCash transactions regularly and stay on top of any subscriptions or link services to avoid future surprises. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe for more tips like these. See you in the next video.